Welcome to the world of inflation, where the giant of inflation lurks around every corner, ready to gobble up your hard-earned money. With increasing inflation, everyone around you must be talking about investment or must be investing in something. And you may be left thinking about what's so exceptional about it. How can I be aware of where to invest and where to not? How much should I invest? When to start investing? In your 20s or 30s? If all these questions are popping up in your mind, you just have to sit back and relax. But before you learn about things you should invest in, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. Have you ever heard about how you can use the money to make money? To make piles of cash, you have to put your money into profitable sources that will then work for you in raising your bank balance. 10 things people should invest in. Number 1. Real estate. What do you think about how billionaires are making their worth? Because they are owners of multinational companies. The question is, how can you manage to do so? No matter what your experience level is, if you dare to own or buy any real estate, you can make your life worth living. It not only encloses the land, but anything that builds on it, whether it's a home, mall, or school. This improvement is known as an investment when you make any change to this property that increases its value. But why do these types of investments yield high value? Someone with a keen knowledge of investing will buy a property that's not of high value, and then he will invest some money and make improvements in this. With this improvement, he invests in this property through labor or any other process. With time and increasing inflation, the property will have a higher value, becoming a good source of income for the investor. Thus, investors will continue getting money from this property over time. If the property is rented out, inflation will cause the rent price to rise, increasing the ratio of profit. These are the types of real estate investments: residential real estate, commercial real estate, industrial real estate. If you are now thinking of investing in real estate, you can indirectly invest through a real estate investment trust in any kind of real estate best suited to your circumstances, and count on it to yield profits for you every year. Number 2. Buy shares. It's the best way through which someone who knows investments can invest. But on the other hand, for someone new, it can be risky. For this, you should check out your surroundings. If you know that a certain brand is trending and people are purchasing from their outlets, or if you can see what type of medicine or juices people are purchasing and liking, you may shortlist them. What's next? Check their financial statements and more before investing in these companies. Have you ever heard about Tesla? Tesla is one of the leading automotive companies in the world. People are buying shares of Tesla, wondering why they are doing so. Because this form of investment can pay you back in the form of a large amount. There are certain reasons why one who knows about investing in shares should take a chance. Each financial year, the company gives some cash as a reward to its shareholders based on the profit they have gained throughout the year. So it's a fairly good idea if someone wants to invest in stocks. Number 3. Licensing. What does license mean? You must have heard about it. Let's take a look. Have you heard about Michael Jordan's famous wall ball? It was designed by Stephen Key and sold to a company. That company paid him for 10 years, and each year it was about $100,000. He revealed in an interview that he only invested $10 to $20 from his pocket. Isn't it amazing? Hence, if you want to make passive income throughout your life, then licensing is the most common and appreciated way. Many people have earned money through licensing and still doing so. If I ask you about Microsoft, who comes to your mind? It's only one man that pops up in our minds: Bill Gates. How many of you have heard about him? Bill Gates has also earned $1,000s through the same passive income technique. But how? Bill Gates created Microsoft, and since its launch, the software has been and is still being installed on every computer or similar appliance. Many multinational companies across the globe are using Microsoft. Now, every purchase and installment of Microsoft in each computer or appliance yields money. Yes, for each installment of Microsoft, Bill Gates is paid. Microsoft was founded in 1975 and it's 2022 now. How much cash do you think Bill Gates has passively enjoying till now? Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Number 4. Digital assets. The world is slowly becoming more and more digitized. With increasing technology and digitalization, many youngsters are now preferring this method of investment. Many are making $100s every hour. What is a digital asset? Simply speaking, any document or file that is present digitally can be called a digital asset. But this term is very broad when we talk about what it covers. Let's put it more simply. If, for instance, you are a photographer or a fashion influencer, if you have pictures of nature or pictures of yourself wearing outfits of a certain brand that you have designed, then it's your digital asset. Whether you use that picture or store it on your computer, it will remain your asset. If you want to make money through it, you can publish it on a website, and people who want to use it will purchase the same from you. Isn't it easy? Now progressing further to the question that is in your mind. What can you use as your digital asset? It can include Word documents related to some educational purpose or any other thing, your presentations in digital form, graphics if you are a photographer. You can invest in all these through a website. It is important to note that you can create these documents for once and can sell them over and over again to interested people. In short, the cost of reproduction is almost zero, and you have no issue with scalability. Number 5. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are one of the newer types of investment. You must have heard about it during the pandemic. But why are people investing in crypto? They are unregulated digital currencies bought and sold on cryptocurrency websites. Due to its quick and dramatic growth, Bitcoin has gained a lot of interest. How can you start investing in crypto? If you are investing in crypto, then you are a lender. You can invest in crypto as a lender in the marketplace. You will lend your money, and eventually you will get an income at the end of the year according to your profit. Directly, you can buy a cryptocurrency and start investing. You can also have this currency purchased through some broker-dealers. Before investing in crypto, you have to make up your mind about certain things. It can be risky sometimes. Space changes quickly and suddenly, so you have to take those developments into your mind. Otherwise, it will affect your holdings in crypto. You can invest in crypto in many ways. Buying cryptocurrency directly, invest in companies, investing in cryptocurrency funds. How much cash should one have before buying crypto? You can buy a crypto for far less than the amount you have imagined of. You can use 2 units of your local currency and buy crypto using the Coinbase platform. Number 6. Bonds. Though many people are unfamiliar with this, bonds are another good way to invest money. Sometimes, governments and certain companies issue and offer bonds to fund certain operations or projects. Bonds are generally more secure than shares, and you can get a higher rate of interest from the bank if you have bonded. Why invest through bonds? The most intriguing attraction to investing in bonds is diversity. If one has only invested in a single company, then the company's loss will result in the person not being able to make any profit. Thus, bond offers you diversity. Moreover, initially, you don't have to invest in high volumes to make a profit. That's the reason many are investing in bonds due to their low initial investment requirements. Number 7. Ornaments. Yes, many people are using this for investment. You can invest in gold, silver, or crude oil. What should you have in mind? If you are investing in gold, you should have certain things in mind. Be aware that the price of gold and silver tends to go up when scarcity and fear increase and down when gold is widely available. Do you remember the toilet paper issue during the pandemic? People were afraid of the presumed shortage of toilet paper in the days to come. And that's the reason many were storing toilet paper in their homes, and the price of toilet paper increased suddenly. The same is the case for gold and silver. It is the reason masterminded people tend to invest in ornaments. Number 8. Mutual funds and ETF. Many of you must be of mutual funds ETF, as many investors are making money through these. You must have heard, never keep all your eggs in one basket. These will let you have combinations like stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate. It means that you are investing in hundreds of different assets, thus allowing diversity. Beyond that, ETF are ideal for those who don't have a large amount of money to meet the minimum investment requirements. Number 9. Business. Ever thought about investing in your own business? Business, without a doubt, is an incredible way to invest. If you have an audience or are good at marketing, you can search for ideas for business through many websites. As a result, you can buy products from certain websites at a low rate, make some changes, and sell them as your products. Number 10. Index funds. Index funds are also an efficient way of investing. These funds allow you to invest in hundreds or thousands of individual stocks and bonds. How does it work? When we talk of the index fund, we can simply define this as investment funds. One of the easiest ways to invest is through the index fund. As I have mentioned above, this allows diversity by allowing you to invest money in it. As these follow a certain benchmark, your invested money will be used in companies that make up a certain index level. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.